finding the pizza. Ready? What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the R44 workshop. Today it's quite an important day. We are servicing our single turbo S58, but it's the same for your S58, or yeah, for X3M, X4M, and everything in between. But more importantly, we've got some cool parts in front of us. We're gonna do a full oil service today. We're gonna fit an essential part on a G8X, so that's M2, M3, M4, is arch clearance kits, and I'll show you why later. But more importantly, what's over on this side, the left, we've got OEM S58 oil filter and a sump plug. We've got the washer inside there. We've got two different types of oil. We use MOTUL on our cars just because we can buy it in large quantities. It's a lot cheaper that way, and we service them every 3,000 miles. So we have this MOTUL 300V there on the right, and then we have the OEM oil 0W30 here. So you can buy 7 litres of that. Alternatively, you can buy this by the litre, or you can buy like a 20-litre tub. It's entirely up to you, but I recommend grabbing that if you're not mapped and running high power. Otherwise, if you are, MOTUL is a great option. And then we've got some arch clearance kits, so we're going to cut out some of the original arch, install these, remove all of that horrible noise when you reverse and go on full lock. But more importantly now, let's get this car outside. We're going to wash it, we're going to polish it, get it back on the ramp, and then carry out this service. Alright, so I've got the arch liners out now, so I've got the front left or whatever. As you can see here, I've now inserted this. I pulled, well actually I put it in the rubbish, so one sec. Whoa. Whoa. So this is what was on the car. These were all bent up like so, and they're vibrating against the wheel. So I've cut them out. I've done a bit of a rush version of it, so you can clean it up and you can cut these off nicely. Of course, we'll have this back in the workshop in about 3 days time, so that'll get Dylan out of trouble, won't make him look too bad when he's on at the Nurburgring. But yeah, that goes back in 10 mils, super simple. Everything comes provided in the box, so we'll do that now, put them back on, do the other one, and then little hijack. Whoa, what we got here? We've got G81 OLED lights. Pretty cool product. These have just come in as a test sample, so we won't put them on the car today because they're not tested, but it's something we're going to test next week. And then the splitter. So MHC have smashed this one out. It's called a herringbone, so it means that the weaves are connected in the center. And the reason I wanted this was all the weaves on the car are designed to go left and right, but the only thing we don't do left and right is the front lip, because customers would kind of be like, why is there a joint in the middle of my splitter? But this is how majority of things you might see on a Lambo, Ferrari, stuff like that. But yeah, that's it, all painted up, just come back in. I think it'd be a cool little thing to add, because this will, yeah, be it. So you can see SP1, nice and strong, got a nice 35mm edge, so you can put ASEX on lip protector on it. But yeah, we're gonna get this on the car now. Audrey just finished up this oil service, and then Dylan is off to the races.
What's up, nigga? The world been dying, days is numbered, check the climate, I'm sick of it. They had brain scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and I whip this quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me a star, bitch. I'm raising the bar like they really pay me to talk. My life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time and again that I'm really him. Oh, you ain't up? This not just for the show, but that you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me. Blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked, the master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother, told my truth. I shake that fake shit, they praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just know I notice you. Stay woke, no joke, it really be the ones you closest to. Had to stop sleeping on myself like I ain't know the truth. Owe this to me like it's really nobody code is this. And if you disagree, then you jaws and your claim get audited. Who you know do the beating and talking and write the harmonies. I'm really convinced there's nobody out here going hard as me. Wish well the dog that claim belief in me so he could use me. Look at me now, you chose your route, I know you sick to see it. You talk a lot, all that flop, but that's not harming us. Capping your status, we back, ain't nobody bras us. To the ones that held me down for the count, look at what growth will do. I'm the kid from the cul-de-sac, feeling double sex with loot they pay to play my shit back. Ain't no way I'm going back until I'm fossil fuel to the flame, just like I'm supposed to do. Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes, I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me.